Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video we're going to be showing you where to put the drawer slides when you download them from our website. Keep in mind the location of where I put my drawer slides is going to be the default Cabinet Solutions folder location, but if you extract them into a different location, that's entirely up to you. So first let's show you the default location. So I'm going to open up my File Explorer down here at the bottom of my screen. Let's go to Documents, go to Cabinet Solutions, go to Workshop, and then under Drawer Hole Patterns. Now these are where all the different locations are for the default information. I do have some in there currently, and also these zipped files that I've used to create drawer slides in the past. I'm going to go ahead and remove those from my system for the moment, and then I'll show you how to put those in there. So let's make sure first of all that my information here is closed down. Let's go and remove the entire folder. So we're doing this from the beginning. So now that I've got my information removed, let's go ahead and open up my workshop. Let's go to Tools, CNC Workshop. Let's go to Tools, Opening Standards, go to Drawers, and let's create that folder first before I download. You don't have to do this step first. I do it just to make it easier in future steps. So let's go to Load, and that's going to create my folder of the drawer hole patterns. Once you have that information created, we can leave this window open or just click on Cancel. I'm going to go ahead and click on Cancel for the time being. I'm going to leave this window open to make it easier. So let's go to our website. I already have it up. It is cabinetsolutions.net. Go to Support and click on where it says Drawer Slide List. This is where we have a list of all of our different drawer slides. You can select the ones individually to download, or if you scroll all the way down, there is an All Combined, which is what I'm going to click on. Click on Download. And now I've downloaded that one small file. I'm going to go to my File Explorer down here at the bottom and go to my Downloads, which is where everything is at. Once I see this zip file here, I can right click on it and click on Extract All. It's going to ask me where do I want to put those to. I'm just going to leave it in my downloads for now, and then I'll move everything over afterwards. So click on Extract. And it opened up the folder that it extracted, which it called it Drawer Hole Patterns, all one word. That's good. If it does not open that, all you have to do is just go to where it says the Drawer Hole Patterns at the top and double click on it, and it brings all that information up. What I'm going to do is hold down my left mouse button on a blank area down here at the bottom and drag it up to select them all. And I could either click on these scissors, or if you have Windows 10, you can right click on it and click on Cut. Since I'm using Windows 11, I'm going to go ahead and just click on the little scissors to cut. And then go to my Documents folder on the left here. Go to Cabinet Solutions, Workshop, and then Drawer Hole Patterns. Now this is the folder that was just created. It is blank. I'm going to click on Paste, or right click and click on Paste if you have Windows 10. And that's going to put them all into place. Now to use these, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our workshop. Everything is still up from previous. We're going to go to Load, and then we're going to select one of these new items that we created to load. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my Bloom 230 and 430. And this is going to be the same way with any of these drawer slides. All the information is there. All you have to do is just tell it the tool that you're going to use to create these drawer holes. I'm going to use my 20-inch. And now everything is loaded. All I have to do is just tell the tool that I want to use to create these drawer slides. All these drawer slides are created with no tool selected to start with. And the reason why is because people would name their drills differently, or they would use something that's not like a 5mm drill. They would use a 1/4 inch, etc. This is where you would tell it which tool it is that you want to use, and that's all you need to do. All the offset and everything should be created for your drawer slides already. And it's that simple. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions or anything, please give me a call, 209-836-4077. Thank you and have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.